My name is Julia Rios, and I'm an applied communications student here at SUNY Delhi. I think the applied communications program is a really great major to have because you can go into so many different fields and there's not really a limit of what you can do or go into. Marketing, journalism, PR stuff, media, there's every aspect of business needs communications, and especially nowadays, communication is a big part of our society and it's growing every day. So there's a lot of different job opportunities at the end of this degree.
The SUNY Delhi is a school of technology, which means first and foremost, we're interested in the tools we use to succeed, right? And so specifically, we then have a focus and emphasis on applied learning, which is thinking, hey, not only what am I learning theoretically in the classroom, but how am I applying it outside of the classroom?
Now that I've decided to be in the communications program, I've just been experiencing certain electives to get my foot in the door, and it's been a lot of fun, a lot of hands-on stuff, especially working in the studio and making your own content and editing. It's really amazing just to get your hands in.
This program focuses on getting you tons and tons of hours of experience on your resume before you even hit that job market, so you're going to be the one getting the job.
In my opinion, SUNY Delhi's program is unique because the people make it unique. Every professor and advisor and person involved in the program is just so amazing and so excited to see people succeed, and that it motivates us to want to work better. It motivates us to know that we can do better, and I think that's really amazing.